Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the minimum, Windows with UWP support and app installation rights. Open the manager and import your prepared CSV. This jumpstarts automation so you don't type each login. Once done, map CSV fields to manager fields and test a single account. This verifies 2 FA handling and session cookies. Make sure Windows background app permissions remain enabled so the manager can refresh tokens while minimized. Next, configure how the manager performs logins. Choose a modest thread count to prevent IP bans and set retry policies for transient failures. You'll select 2 FA handling. If you use authenticator codes, ensure the shared secret is correct. If using backup codes, rotate them regularly. Then pick headless mode for bulk logins or GUI mode if you need visual confirmation. Once chosen, run a small batch to observe behavior and adjust. To finish, export active session tokens and save them in a secure vault so you can restore sessions without repeated logins. Maintain accounts by scheduling password and 2 FA checks every 30 to 90 days. This prevents unexpected lockouts. If something fails, reproduce the issue with one account, collect detailed logs, and inspect error codes. Common issues are rate limits, wrong 2 FA secrets, or outdated app versions. Then update settings or reinstall the UWP app and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.